Alright guys, June is already here and you know what that means. I found the top 5 winning products for you to sell this month, some with profit margins upwards of 90%. These hot and trending products are sure to sell for the entire month of June and probably the rest of the summer. Like always, I already went through and found the best suppliers for each one of these products, so if this video gets 50 likes, I'll leave this exact presentation linked down below for you to download and use it later. So remember to leave a like and subscribe for more. My name's Alex if you're new, let's get right into it. Alright guys, here we have our top 5 winning products for June. Before we get into that, I just want to mention that I have a winning products newsletter linked down below where I'll send out the hottest products to sell on your own stores every 2 weeks at no cost to you guys. You definitely don't want to miss out on that. And with that being said, let's go over our first winning product for June. Alright guys, the first product that I have for you is this high pressure water hose nozzle that you can see right here. I said this pressure washer nozzle is racking up tens of thousands of orders right now, and it's the perfect time to start selling it. Google search interest peaks every May through June, and it's currently getting over 30,000 monthly searches according to the Glimpse data. The AliExpress supplier I found has over 10,000 recent orders with almost 3,000 high rated reviews. The TikTok ad I found is in the top 20% of liked ads in the last 7 days with over 15,000 likes, and it's also in the top 18% of conversion ads, so it's making a ton of sales. We'll go over all of that in just a moment. You guys can sell this product for $29.99, only costing you $2.15 on AliExpress for a profit of $27.84 per sale with a high profit margin of 93%. If you guys want to run Facebook ads on this product, the 3 interests I would start off targeting would be pressure washer, home improvement, and Lowe's, so you're reaching a bunch of different audiences. So let's go ahead and take a look at another store that's currently selling this product, as well as a TikTok video that's promoting it. Alright, so right here we have the adjustable metal nozzle garden hose sprinkler from Inspired Household. They're selling it for $14.99, marked down from $29.99. You can definitely get away with selling this product for a lot more than this, but it actually looks like this store hasn't been updated in a while, as they're still running their Easter sale right here, and Easter was months ago obviously. So I like the upsells they have right up here at the top. Buy 2, save 8%, buy 6, save 30%, and so on. We'll scroll down, you can see the description right here. So I like the sticky add to cart button at the bottom of the screen. It follows you as you scroll down the page. I like the images and the GIFs they use in the description, but altogether it's not put together very well. So it definitely doesn't flow very well. It looks like they're just taking points right off of AliExpress. I don't like the way the description's set up. They have other trending products down here. They don't have any reviews imported. So let me show you a product page and a description from a similar product, and I'll show you what you want to be doing instead of this. Okay, so this is the Pressure Pro Power Nozzle. This is the exact same product, just a little bit different. I've actually sold this one in the past. So you guys can see how their product page is set up. The visuals look so much better. The description flows a lot better. They have call to actions all over the page. Same with the sticky add to cart button right here, order and save 50%. They have their features and benefits. They have some really good graphics and some really good GIFs on their product page. They show the different uses, who it's for. They got testimonials down here, their guarantees, their FAQs. They have some decent reviews. I definitely added a lot more reviews on here when you go to build out your own product pages, but overall, this description is perfect. Okay, so here's the TikTok ad that I found for this product. They're currently selling it in 23 different countries. Their landing page is right here. It's got over 15,000 likes, 376 comments, almost 1,000 shares. Their budget's very high. Their click-through rate is in the top 4%. You guys can see that right here. Their conversion rate, this is really good as well, is in the top 7% of the industry average. So let's go ahead and take a look at the video that they're actually running on TikTok ads. So that's a really good product demonstration. The only thing they're missing is a call to action at the end. Alright guys, our second winning product is this pressure relief seat cushion that you can see right here. I said this winning product is in the top selling on AliExpress over the last 7 days with over 10,000 recent orders and very high ratings. It's another broad product that can reach people of all backgrounds who experience back pain, sit all day, or anything similar. So this is a really good problem-solving product, and that's exactly what you want to sell. You can sell this product for upwards of $69.99, costing you $15.07 for a profit of $54.92 per sale, and you can also negotiate that cost much lower as you start to sell these. That's a really good profit margin of 79%. If you want to run this product with Facebook ads, the 3 interests I would start off testing would be driving, retirement planning, and office worker. That way you're reaching people of all different backgrounds that could all get the same benefits from this product. So let's go ahead and take a look at another store selling this product as well as a Facebook ad. So right here we have the pressure relief seat cushion from the Cushion Lab. I like that they're keeping up with recent trends. They have their early Father's Day sale right here, 35% off plus free shipping, that's their offer. So they're selling it for $69, marked down from $85, that's their Father's Day sale. They also have their upsells right here, buy more, pay less. You guys can buy 2 and get $7 off, or buy 4 and get $20 off. That's the best value. They have that highlighted. So they're trying to drive more of these sales. They have a really good product description right here. They definitely have a little too many color options to choose from right here. You don't want to give your buyers decision fatigue. I definitely say limit yourself to like 5 to 7 different colors. That way you're not overwhelming your customers. They have upsells down here. You can buy similar products, other cushions. You guys can add that entire bundle to your cart just by clicking this button right here. And it shows that you're saving a little bit of money. You're paying $189, marked down from $233. And their description just flows really well. They have high quality images. They have supporting paragraphs with features and benefits. They show the complete setup. So they're trying to sell more of their different products. I'd imagine they're doing a really good job doing so. They have their FAQs down here and their product reviews. So overall, this is a really good product description. They have their reviews, their supporting paragraphs, their upsells, and a really strong offer. So here's a Facebook ad from the exact same brand. They start it by saying, transform sitting into a cloud-like cradle. I really like that. The only thing I don't like about this ad is all the different links that they have up here at the top. They have way too many call to actions. You might not know which one to click on, but it's obviously working for them. So I really like this product image right here. They're running image ads on this product, designed for all day sitting comfort, shape for instant back relief, cloud support cushioning, transform any chair into a throne, available in plus size, and they have new colors available. So this has over 2.1K likes, almost 500 comments, and almost 300 shares. And you guys can see all the comments down here are showing that the customers are satisfied with this product. Alright guys, our third winning product is this dog steam brush that you can see right here. I said as it warms up outside, dog grooming products skyrocket in sales. This grooming brush is the perfect solution for a muddy dog, and its recent sales back that up. This brush has over 4,000 recent orders on one AliExpress listing alone, and is being scaled by a handful of brands on Meta, TikTok, and Pinterest ads right now. It's currently at peak interest, getting over 45,000 monthly searches on Google. You guys can sell this brush for $29.99, costing you $4.16 for a profit of $25.83 per sale with a high profit margin of 86%. If you guys want to start off running this product with Meta ads, the 3 interests I would start off targeting would be dog park, bark box, and dog walking. So let's go ahead and take a look at another store currently running this product as well as a Meta ad promoting it. Alright, so right here we have the dog steam brush from Blue Panda. You guys can see their features and benefits right up here at the top. They have scarcity tactics right here. 18 people are adding to cart, over 24 sold in the last 12 hours. They have really high quality images in their product description right here. Some of these obviously taken off of AliExpress, but overall it's a really good description so far. So they're selling it for $25, marked down from $49. That's their first offer that you see right here. I really like their upsells right here. You can get 3 for $52. And if we keep scrolling, they have a really good description that flows really well. They have high quality gifts of the product in use, features and benefits of the product, more trust badges right here, over 13,000 satisfied customers, and so on. So overall, it's a really good description. They have their guarantees, their testimonials that you can scroll through right here. They're frequently bought together with other dog products. This is a really good description, justifying that $25 pricing point. Moving over, here's a Facebook ad that this exact same brand is currently running right now. The website we just went over was in a foreign language, so I had to translate it to go over it for you guys. So same thing with this Facebook ad right here. But overall, they have some really good content. It flows really well. If you make something just like this for your own brand, you're bound to start making sales. So product number 4, I have a high ticket product for you to sell, and that's the camera bird feeder that you can see right here. I said, unlike the other products we just went over, this is a niche or a hobby type product rather than a problem solving one. However, these types of products can be sold for a lot more as people tend to spend a lot on their hobbies. This is a high ticket product, meaning it takes a little more effort in order to start making consistent sales. But once you do start making sales, you can easily negotiate much lower pricing with your supplier to increase your profit margins even more. You guys can see that this product cost you $82.18. You can go on to sell it for upwards of $230, making you a profit of $147.81 per sale with a high profit margin of 64%. So this profit margin is lower than some of the other products we just went over, but when you're making upwards of $150 per sale, that really doesn't matter. The interests I would start off targeting with this product on Facebook ads would be birds, bird feeder, as well as bird watching. So let's go ahead and take a look at another store currently selling this product, as well as a TikTok video that's promoting it. All right, so right here we have this exact same product from the brand BirdBuddy. You guys can see their interactive homepage banner right here. Overall, I'm already liking everything I see about this product page. You definitely need to build something similar to this if you're going to be selling high ticket dropshipping products. So they have their headline right up here, a short supporting description. They have their call to action, order now. They have some social proof right here, over 200,000 users feeding birds with BirdBuddy. We'll keep scrolling. They have some images from their customers right here, capture unique moments from your backyard. They have some supporting facts, some more supporting facts. They have call to action buttons throughout their entire description, awards that they've won, more supporting details about this product, high resolution camera. Throughout this entire description, they have really high quality product images and GIFs showing the product in action, similar variations of this product, what their community says. They have some testimonials right here from even more social proof. Watch our network grow. In the media, different publications that they've been featured in, make it your own. They have some more features and benefits of this product that would appeal to this audience. Choose your add-ons. They have some more upsells right up here at the top to increase their average order value. Help the birds, shows that they're on a mission so you guys can actually feel good about your purchase when you buy from them. More features and benefits, their FAQs down here at the bottom. So let's go ahead and take a look by clicking one of their order now buttons. Let's see what page it takes you to. So right here shows all their different feeders. It starts at $239, goes all the way up to $359, $415. You guys can see their add-ons right here, once again, to increase their average order value, as well as their different seed bundles. Overall, this is a very good website. So here's a viral POV video from the exact same brand. This video right here has over 2 million likes, so it's performing very well for them and obviously driving a ton of sales as a result. All right guys, our final winning product this month, we always need to make sure we're keeping up with the current trends and selling products related to upcoming holidays. So that's why I have this custom photo wallet that you can see right here. I said now that we're in June, Father's Day products are in full swing. It's the perfect time to capitalize on this holiday and put some money in your pockets. The term Father's Day gifts is currently getting over 1 million monthly searches and the sales are soaring. This custom wallet is currently being scaled by a bunch of brands on Meta, TikTok, and Pinterest right now. There's also a ton of US-based suppliers letting you sell this product right up until the actual holiday. It costs you guys $5.89. You can sell it for $29.99. Making you $24.10 per sale with a high profit margin of 80%. If you want to run this product on Meta ads, the 3 interests I would start off targeting would be Father's Day, family, as well as unique gifts. So let's go ahead and take a look at another store that's currently selling this product, as well as a Facebook ad that's promoting it. All right, so here's the men's custom photo engraved wallet, short wallet coffee from My Photo Wallet. You guys can see they're selling it for $25.95, marked down from $60. Their offer is to save $34.05. And you guys can actually get 15% off a second wallet using this code right here. So they have some upsells, they have some scarcity, hurry up, their sale ends in just 19 minutes. They have 26 reviews. Here's where you upload all the images on the actual wallet itself. They have some really high quality images of this product right here. You guys can scroll through all of these. I really like that. They have their custom branding right here in this photo. So just overall adds to the brand appeal. You guys can add premium gift packaging. You guys can choose all these options down here for even more upsells to increase their average order value. Here's some details about this product. Overall, it's not like a super visually appealing description, could be cleaned up a little bit, but they also have some more categories from their website. So they have custom plaques, wallets, moon lamps, jewelry, camera roll keychains, calendar keychains, and so on. Here's their guarantees down here: 90-day warranty, best customer service, free shipping, secure payment. Here's all of the reviews down here at the bottom. So this is a decent product description. It definitely does justify that $25.95 pricing point. Selling products like this, you don't need to go crazy with your product descriptions. If you come up with something just like this, you should be good to sell it on your own store. So here's a Facebook ad from the exact same brand. I like the high quality image that they're running with their ad right here. They do a really good job with that. I'm not the biggest fan of their ad copy. Start from $15.95. They have a link, custom photo wallet, your best gift choice for yourself and the ones you love. They could definitely do a better job with their ad copy up here at the top, reaching with customer emotions, mentioning Father's Day, and so on. This ad only has 177 likes, 8 comments, 32 shares, but overall, this is a really good image that you guys could create something similar yourself and run with. Alright guys, like I already mentioned, I did go through and find the best AliExpress suppliers for each one of these products. So once this video reaches 50 likes, I will leave this exact presentation link down below for you to go through and download yourself. Now, AliExpress suppliers are only good for testing products and making your first couple of sales. Once you start getting a couple of sales under your belt, you need to move on to a private supplier. For one, AliExpress can't keep up with the amount of orders you're going to get. And for two, they're sending low quality products to your customers, and this is going to ruin your brand. Now with that being said, I'm going to share with you the private supplier that I've been using for all of my own dropshipping stores. Not only can they source high quality products for my customers, but they can actually get my orders to their doorstep in just 4 days. Now the private supplier that I use for all of my own stores is FulFillman. FulFillman is a third-party logistics service, or a 3PL, meaning that they source all of your products for you, store them in their own warehouses, quality check each item before it's sent out, and ship your products to your customers as you start getting orders. They have the lowest cost and the fastest shipping options out of any of the dropshipping suppliers out there. And unlike AliExpress suppliers, with FulFillman, you have custom branding options. You can put your logo on all of your products before they're sent out. You can create custom flyers just like these to be sent out in all of your orders. You can create custom packaging. You guys can even add your logo on stickers to be sent out on all of your packages. You guys can see all the different services they offer down here. They have dropshipping services, Amazon FBA services, private label, wholesale, China sourcing, crowdfunding, fulfillment, product photography, branding like we just went over. Let's talk about their product photography. This is something that most suppliers don't offer. Once you have a winning product that's working for you, you can stop using stock images from websites like AliExpress or stealing from your competition and have your own branded images made for you. You can create hero shots, mannequin shots, and so much more. Here's an example of all the different photos you can have created for you, as well as some of their work down here. Here's some recent tracking numbers from one of my own brands. Since I switched to FulFillman, I'm getting 4-day shipping from China to the United States, 5-day shipping to Germany, and 3-day shipping to the Netherlands. I'll leave a link for you down below in case you want to check out FulFillman yourself. Simply click on the link, select get a free quote down here, fill out a little more information about your brand, and they'll get back to you right away. Alright guys, those are the top 5 winning products you should be focused on for the month of June. Remember to like this video. Once we reach 50 likes, I'll leave this exact presentation down below with the suppliers linked for you as well. I also have a free course linked down below to help you get started and make your first few sales. Don't miss out on that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.